Hey Sparks, what's up? And hello to my new subscribers and new viewers. My name is Montina Young Portis, and my mission with this channel is to inspire, educate, and share information that will help you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe. All right, y'all, so listen, I actually have my notes here, and before I apply for credit, there's something that I do. Actually, two things that I do. So I recently, let me see here, I'm gonna cover this up a little bit. Got this Business Prime card from American Express, which is through Amazon Prime. So I went on like we all do, purchasing things, and this card kept coming up. So I said, there's a freeze on all my credit reports. If you have a fraud alert, guys, get rid of it. It's so freaking annoying to have those fraud alerts. They don't help you at all. And there's, I think it's my 805 Credit Club guy. He's on here and he talks about why you wanna get those fraud alerts off. Maybe I'll link it below. So I saw it, so I said, okay, what I do is I always go to Google and I'm putting in, I need to know which credit scores they're pulling from in terms of which report. So which credit agency are they gonna pull my report from? TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax? That's the first thing I need to know. This one, I can't remember now what it pulled from, but I like it if they pull from TransUnion because most do pull from Experian or Equifax. So once you know that, the second thing I want to know is who is the funding bank. For this one, it is American Express. I'm covering up my little 3-digit up my 4-digit. Well, okay, good. I already have 2 cards with American Express. I have an American Express Platinum. I have an American Express Delta Platinum. So is this Platinum? Yeah, I have 2 Platinums with them. So I'm like, okay, I'm already good with American Express. They're probably going to approve me. It's on the business side. And they did. It was $3,000. I'm like, cool, yes. And then I get 5% off my purchases on Amazon. So I think it's really important because when I logged in again, I saw it come up Amazon Prime Apply, Montina Apply. It's like they call my name, Apply. And I'm like, oh, okay, for the personal card, this might make sense. I order a lot of things on Prime, personal and business-wise. But when I went to Google, same thing. Which credit reporting agency does Amazon Prime use for personal credit cards? I mean, literally just put it in Google and it pulled up and said, number 1, it's pulling from, I think it was pulling from Equifax. I don't even know because it pulled up Chase. It's a Chase card. You need to know who the funding bank is. That's the second thing. The first thing is what credit report are they pulling from? The second thing is who is the funding bank? Chase is not gonna give me nothing. My daughter messed that up. She ain't had no money. I get it. She's a doll. But I can't get anything. And then Chase has that rule that you can't have more than 2 open accounts in 2 years or something crazy like that. So I don't qualify. I have like 10 new accounts. I'm not gonna go for it because I'm gonna get an inquiry and I'm gonna get a denial. Now I know I recently got an Uber Visa card. Yes, because Mansur orders Uber Eats like it's going out of business. So here's my Uber card. So I have the Uber card, get 4% back. But guess what? With the Uber card, I'd applied before and I was denied maybe about 8 months ago. And she said, okay, just, I think it was my utilization was high. My utilizations are all very, very low. I applied for this card, but it's funded by Barclays. So I got the Barclays card, and then guess what? I saw my kids want to go on an end of the year cruise because we're going on a family vacation. So I went again over to Google. Who's the credit reporting agency for Carnival MasterCard? 2 things came up. They pull from TransUnion, and it's a Barclays card. I already have a Barclays card, so it made sense to apply, and I was approved. Another $5,000 limit, $5,500 on the Uber Visa, $5,000 on Carnival MasterCard, and we going cruising. So that's what you want to do. That's just a very quick tip. I don't do anything without first understanding who they're going to get my report from and where that inquiry is going, and then who's funding that card. I hope that helps, guys, because once I kind of figured it out, I was telling my friend about it. She's like, I never heard that before. So I hope that helps you. Let me know below. Do you have the Uber card or the Carnival card? Or did you already know about that? And what other tips do you have for people watching? All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.